Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to step away from the makeup and we're going to go into hair routine. So today what I'm going to show you guys is how I get my hair to be sleek and shiny and like really soft. First step that we're going to do is we're going to put this hot hair oil treatment into our hair. See if it focuses, because this shit never focus. I'm gonna actually use this because I have my water right here, and then we're just gonna place this in once we heat this up. So I'm gonna heat this up for like about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna be right back. Oh my gosh, I should have been turning all these lights. I can see so much better. Okay, so I'm just gonna set this for a minute, and while this is heating up inside the hot water, just to throw it in there, set the timer. But while that is heating up in the hot water, I'm gonna wet my hair. Okay, so that was a minute, which went really fast. So now I'm just going to take this out. Matter of fact, I'm going to drain the water out first, because I don't not want to burn my finger because this water is extra hot. Okay. So, just going to open the tube. And, oh my god, I hope it's not going to burn me. Oh no. Ah, this shit is fucking burning. Shit was hot, man. What the hell? I'm just gonna put this all over my scalp to simulate hair growth and blood flow. Just rub this into your scalp. Alright, just massage that shit into your hair. So it says to leave it on for about a minute. My sister's calling me. Hey, bitch. I just tasted the shit I just put in my hair. Oh, that's a minute. So the shampoo that I use is the Garnier shampoo. It looks like this. So make sure you rinse thoroughly when having this product in your hair, and make sure you really get the shampoo in to clean out your hair. Okay, so I just rinsed the shampoo out, and now I'm about to put the conditioner, and it's the same brand and the same scent. I just dropped the towel.
Come here.
Oh my god. Oh, my hair's full.
Oh shit, Lala's calling me. Yo, mommy's necklace came in, bitch.
Oh shit, how does it look? Do you see it?
Yo, that shit is beautiful. She wanted to see. I said, bitch, no. Fuck no.
Okay, so before I let my hair thoroughly dry, I like to spray some L'Oreal Paris Sleek Iron Straight Hairspray, just so my hair can be protected before I flatten iron it. So I just spray this up top and then all around. And then I just brush my hair with the product in it, just to spread it around better. And then I just let this sit in my hair and let my hair air dry. So almost busted my ass. Yo, this floor is so slippery. I feel like if my parents walk into this into the bathroom, they're gonna bust their ass. So I should clean this shit up because I have socks on right now, and I'm gonna ow, fucking shit. I'm just gonna excuse my language. I'm really trying not to curse, but I almost fucking hit my head on the floor. But as you can see, my hair is getting like a little frizzy, like in this area right here, so it's like drying up. Okay, so my hair is mostly dry. It's probably like just wet inside a little bit, but we're just gonna get started because the day is slowly ending. It's currently 8:34 and I want to have this done by at least like 9 to 10. The straightening iron we're gonna be using is the, actually just use any straightening iron. I don't know what brand this is. it's disappeared. But it's one of those wet to straight flatten irons. You can also use it when your hair is not wet, which is why I don't mind if my hair is like a little wet inside, but I don't want it to be like drenched, because I feel like that damages your hair even though it says wet to straight. So in order to get like really sleek hair, I just really part like a little piece, okay, not that tiny, but a little piece, and then put the rest in a bun like this, and then I just brush it out. I usually go through it a lot of times and then brush and then go through it again, and I just do the same thing to this side, just like this. Okay, so I'm finally done straightening my hair, and this is the final result. It looks sleek and pretty. It got a little longer from flatlining it, but now I just do my part. So I'm just gonna take the hair, and I got a big forehead right here because I like the side part like this. My secret to putting my flyaways down is actually getting a different iron, and this one is the DeVoe, yeah, straight iron. I gotta put it in, this shit is all messed up, but it looks like this, and what you just do is at the top of this, you just take it and you just curve it in like that. Not too much, but just like so you can get the flyaways down, and the same thing, and curve it in like that. I'm just gonna do the back here. The next step to this process is then putting some oil. I like to use a coconut oil. Looks like this. Hope it focused. Just very little because this is very oily. And rub that in the palms of my hand just to warm it up. And then kind of just put it like this. And kind of on my hair just to give it shine. But don't put a lot because I'm telling you this is really oily, and then your hair is just going to be like kind of stuck together. And that's the kind of hair I don't like. I like when my hair is like, so usually when I'm applying this, I literally just go like that. I don't like squeeze it because it just gives me too much product. Just run it through your hair really softly. Don't like really intensely rub it on your hair. Just rub it through your hair like this, like really softly. Like let your hair flow through your hand while you're doing this. And the last step is just to comb it again. And boom. The products that I use is not even expensive either. Like you can find it in your local Walgreens, Walmart, Rite Aid, CVS. Like, I'm gonna do a little spin for you guys. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel down below. And I will be linking my social medias down below if you guys want to follow me and become my friend. Hair looks so sleek and pretty.